Welcome back. So the cauliflower is boiling. This is one serving. That's what it looks like. And we're just going to let this boil. That's for my pasta. So I'm going to be adding vegan sausage and some rotini pasta to pair with my alfredo sauce. So for seasoning, you will need Italian seasoning, some garlic powder, sea salt, onion powder, and basil and olive oil, and you also need a blender of some sorts. Now it's been a while and our cauliflower is done. It's steamy and hot and foaming up my camera. And you'll know it's done is when you take a fork and you break it off and it just falls apart, like literally. And that is the best. That's what you want. And the pasta is cooking. It's almost done. And let's put this in the blender. We're going to drain our cauliflower like that. And then we're going to add it to this cup to put in the blender. So I've added my seasoning to the cauliflower. Then there's my pasta and my sausage. And this is all the seasoning inside the cup. I have also added olive oil. And then we're going to blend it. And look at how smooth the consistency is. And when I tell you guys this is so good, it's so creamy and smooth and it's just perfect. And then we're just going to put it all together. So this is what it looks like with the pasta and the basil. And this is the container after I was done taking it all out. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe.